Mas abot kaya na ang mga flip phones ngayon with the Infinix Zero Flip, the first flip phone ni Infinix. Alam niyo naman kung gaano kamahal yung mga flip phone, di ba, ni Samsung, ni Oppo. 80K, 90K, oh my god, sakit sa bulsa. Mga pinauso ng mga Koreano, halos hindi natin ma-grasp, masyado mahal. Ito na ang entry point mo. Pero to meron siyang 3.64-inch cover screen at the front. Its main selling point, you can actually interact with it for quick message replies, quick email replies. Pwede ka manood ng TikTok dito without having to open your device. Actually, ginagamit ko siya all the time. It's a very useful one-handed feature na operation. Pero hindi lang daw yun. Guys, it is also a vlog phone. Tignan nyo yung gagawin namin na. Ilalagay namin tong phone sa liig namin. Tapos, hit record. Ayan. Pwede ka na mag-vlog sa mall lagi na hindi sinisita ng card. Kasi kakaiba to. Merong issue sa Green Hills, pwede mo na i-record. And on top of that, mabilis yung kanyang processor, Dimensity 8020 5G processor na po to, 512GB of internal storage, 16GB of extended RAM, 70W supercharger, 6.9-inch AMOLED display po yung kanyang main display, 120Hz LTPO na po yan, variable refresh rate to save more battery, at upgradable daw siya up to Android 16, 3-year security patch updates. Pabongga na pabongga si Infinix, especially the pricing. Eto na, unbox muna natin. Pasabihin sa inyo watching Unbox Diaries. Okay, so Zero Flip, get in now. Usually kasi guys, kapag may kaaway kayo, get out now. Ito naman, get in now. Let's get in now. Pasok ka na. Oh my god, may sound by JBL pa siya. Sheesh. Sobrang bongga ng kanyang packaging. Inside, we're getting 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. We got here the USB Type-C cable. May sariling box yung charger. But this is the best thing about this box. May nakalagay, works with GoPro. Inside, we're not only getting papers. We're also getting some well-curated flip covers. And that is pretty much it. Eto na yung phone. Tingnan natin kung mag-flip din yung plastic. Flippable plastic. Actually, last year, ang pinakamurang phone, flip phone, is si Tecno Flip. Ay, Tecno Phantom Flip pala, yung purple. Pero kasi plastic yung kanyang body. Medyo chuchu yung dating sa akin. Medyo mura daw siya. Well, actually, 30,000 plus yun. Ito mas mura pa. But this one is built really well. This is Corning Gorilla Glass material sa likod. And you got the Zero logo at the lower right corner. Walang Infinix logo whatsoever. Hindi ito. Nagtago. Wow, nice. Pero ito na yung 3.64-inch cover screen. Oh! Ang okay dito guys, pwede mo i-customize yung screen na to. Meron siya mga themes dito. Ayan, swipe mo na lang. Oh, kung naboboard ka na dyan, pwede mong palitan. And feeling ko marami ka pang pwede ma-download kay Infinix. Ayan, pwede mo rin siya i-swipe left para ma-reveal yung camera. Now, pwede ka mag-interact dito. Once you turn on the power button, pwede mo na siyang i-swipe up. You can use it. And suddenly, meron kang small display dito that you can interact with, which is perfect for one-handed usage. It looks really small. Parang meron kang maliit na cellphone na hawak. Tapos one-handed operation ng halos lahat. It's very smooth actually. Very seamless. Pero very small po siya. It depends on you na kung medyo malabo mata mo or medyo maarte ka sa content na kulangan ka. Pwede mo siyang buksan. Seamless po yung transition to the full screen experience. And the full screen experience is so wonderful kasi nga, grabe guys, from top to bottom, talagang na-maximize niya yung screen. Kakaiba siya, matangkad tingnan compared to the usual phone. But going back sa kanyang cover screen, actually, kapag nag-tent mode ka ng ganyan, hindi mo na kailangan i-press yung power button. Meron siyang click. Narinig yan? Ang ibig sabihin na naka-unlock na yung phone. Tapos pwede mo siya i-swipe up. And there you go. You can actually watch videos here. TikTok. Ayan o, swipe up. Swipe up. Nanood ka na ganyan sa table mo. Perfecto kasi nga masyado kasi malaki yung screen. Kita na katabi mo. Ito guys, mas private. Ganyan ka lang oh. Na meron ako naisip na very smart usage ng cover screen na to. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, it's also occupying yung camera module. Ayan oh, mga cameras dun sa screen. Which is actually good kung bubuksan mo yung camera app. And ayan. Ito mo si videographer, si Sean. Papakatan sa inyo. So, ito yung itsura ko So, pwede na kayong mag-selfie ng parang ganyan. O pwede kayo mag-makeup. Diba? And it's on tent mode. Yun ang maganda dyan. Parang may stand na siya. Pwede ka mag-record. Hi! Galing. So, meron kang camera mode, meron kang video mode. And guys, meron siyang single mode feature. Pang mga forever single. Bakit? Kasi pwede mo nang picture na sarili mo kahit wala kang jowa. Kahit nag-travel ka mag-isa, wala kang kasama, pwede mo nang picturean mo with the gesture. Yan. Looks happy on picture, but always lonely. Grabe, lakas ng sounds. The sounds on this thing is just huge, full, crisp. Pero guys, tinan mo to. You can actually watch dito sa cover screen. Although medyo maliit siya. Pero kasi guys, kapag malapit yung mukha mo, kung nasa desk ka, it looks pretty okay. It's very watchable and it's very private as well, no? Pwede mong i-ganyan siya. Pwede ka mag-swipe up. Perfect for one-handed usage. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng mas malaki, mas immersive na experience, ayan. Diba? Wow! Ang laki ng improvement. Mas immersive. Pero syempre, ito very loud na to. Kung nasa office ka, nanonood ka ng ganito, well, kitang-kita yan ng lahat. Pero if you want it to be much more subtle, much more discreet, ito na po yun. Your private mode. Tapos guys, kapag may nag-chat sa akin, ito yung tsura niya. Notification, click ko na lang yan. Ayun, pwede ka lang mag-type ng yes. Pwede ka mag-reply. Tapos guys, ito. Quick reply. Hi. I hope. Hi. Oh, diba? Ganun lang. Quick reply. Tapos, ayun. Tapos na. This is very useful kung yung sa kamay mo ay sobrang full. May bag ka or marami kang grocery na dala dito. And then you have to reply to your jowa kasi nga sobrang matampuhin siya kapag di ka nag-reply agad. Ay, ito na ako. Pauwi na ako. Oh, diba? Ito nang bilhin mo. Para hindi na magtampo si jowa. Infinix cares. Ayun. Cares about your jowa. Or kung wala kang jowa, syempre, forever single mode. Nandiyan naman si Globe, si Smarts, at si NDRMC. Mga kachat mo. Now, napansin ko, kapag ka nag-work ako sa desk, then I have to look at my phone, kailangan ko mag-lean forward ng ganyan, or kailangan ko i-pick up pa yung phone ko, which is a step or two. And sometimes, medyo nakakangala yun. Kailangan mo mag-adjust. What if hindi mo na kailangan mag-adjust? Siya na mag-adjust para sa'yo. Ito because it can fold, ayan, pwede nang ganyan ka magbasa. And as you can see guys, yung content dito, you don't even have to read the content right here sa bottom kasi kitang-kita mo na sa taas. Pwedeng dito, kung gusto mo makita yung sa baba, scroll up mo lang, kitang-kita mo na siya. Wow, that's actually very useful. And you don't even have to pick up the phone or lean forward to see everything. Very nice and very ergonomic, in my opinion. Napansin ko rin, wala siyang squeak, no? Very seamless and of course, syempre, guys, kahit sobrang ganyan na siya, hindi pa rin hindi siya nag-snap to close yung phone. May suporta pa rin. And extreme yung angles na kaya niyang gawin bago siya mag-totally open or totally close. Wow! Wala pong gap yung kanyang hinge as you can see right there. Pero may napansin ako, meron siyang parang curve dito. Ayun doon sa kanyang foldable part. And also may crease pa rin ako nakikita guys. Ayan, yung crease. Meron siya parang lubak dito sa gitna. Feel mo. Pero guys, kapag ginagamit mo na siya, it's really not an issue for me. Siguro kung sobrang arte mo na lang, ayaw mo nakita ng mga ganito, this might not be for you. Just go get a very flat phone if that really bothers you. But for me, di naman masyado pagka hindi ka masyado maarte. Now, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan dito is sa kanyang glossy back dito sa kanyang cover display. Well, actually, lahat naman ng display glossy. Syempre, glass yan eh. So, it's a fingerprint magnet, yan. Nila naman. So, isabihin yan, kailangan mo laging punasan yung cover mo, pare. Yan. At least yung ilalim, matte finish. Hindi siya dumihin sa ilalim. And, ito talaga. Now, I really love this kasi nga, ang dali niyang ilagay. Also, sobrang bongga nung design. Feeling ko magbebenta pa ng iba't ibang klaseng design si Infinix, just like si Samsung. Marami siyang mga iba't ibang for its Samsung devices. Pero yung kasama sa box makes the whole phone much more social tingnan and complements the whole thing while protecting it. Ouch. And get this! Meron pa siyang finger strap sa likod. Adjustable yan for pretty much any finger size. Kung hindi masyado malaki yung finger mo. At least sa akin naman, malaki na to. And it fits really well. Para kapag ginagamit mo siyang ganyan, nice. Hindi siya malalaglag. And very secured on your hand. Pero tingnan to matigas po to. Dahil matigas yan, it acts as a stand. Pwedeng ganyan. Pwedeng ganyan. Diba? Dahil mo pwedeng gawin pala sa kanya. Kung kinanatamad ka, pwede rin ganyan. Gusto mo straight? Ganyan. Wow. They've thought of everything. Pero ito pala, tela pala to Tela yan. Works with GoPro. Now, as you've seen, flip phones are very, very versatile. Ang dami nyo na pwedeng gawin, Not only sa camera, it's really changed how I use the camera. And also, tinry namin to, dahil meron siyang casing na kasama. Sa video, you can now do these very cinematic shots. Sheesh! Panning and zooming. Diba? How far can we take this? Ito lang naman. Okay? Lalagay ko sa pocket ko, yung camera, Wala na! Meron na akong side view, Side view cinematic shot. Dahil pwede ko siyang ipit dyan, pwede ko rin iipit yan dito. Ayan na ako. Pwede na ako mag-vlog ng parang ganyan sa Green Hills at hindi ako mahuhuli. Ay sir, nahuhuli ka, ayun, nagre-record ka. Hindi ako nagre-record, no? May ganyan ba kayong cellphone? O, punta ka sa Green Hills, may issue, fake yung binigay sa'yo. Ano to? Ba't ganito yung binigay mo sa akin, ha? Hindi kita binibidyo. Hindi, huwag ka tumingin dyan. Tumingin ka dun sa cellphone ko, ha? Bakit peke binigay mo, ha? Wallpaper ba yan? Grabe na yan. So, kailan ganito ka magano guys kasi may angle siya ngayon. Kasi pag kinlose ko ng sobra, mag-i-stop yung video. So, kailan ganyan. Okay, di ako nagbibideo guys. Hindi ako nagbibideo guys. For today's vlog, pero matindi naman ito kanyang EIS o OIS dito. So, even though na mauga ka, very stable pa rin siya. Perfect for vlogging pa rin. 4K 60 frames per second. Pwede. It's even got DV mode. You know, pwede kong mag-video. May mga filter siya. You can use the front and back camera. Change the filters there. And nagbabago din yung kanyang settings sa video. The contrast. Ayun, para mga camcorder days, di ba? Zero Flip DV. Hey guys, so we're here at this place. It's really spooky. So ayan, may lalabas dyan po multo mamaya. Oh my god, nakakatakot na tayo sa lumang pelikula. Ayan siya. Ito pala yan, medyo madumi, medyo noisy environment. Found footage! Pwede ka na mag-found footage. Ayun, horror movie. Pwede ka na gawa ng horror movies with this phone. At syempre, cinematic shots. Pwede ka na mag-cinematic shots. Every director's dream, guys. Ano tawag dyan? Yan ang gimbal. Ito yung mount. Another display has a 6.9 inch 120Hz AMOLED foldable display po to na LTPO na variable refresh rate pa. Meaning kaya niyang baguhin yung kanyang refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz. Para makasave siya ng battery kapag nakapatay yung screen, 1Hz lang po yun. The display is beautiful. Bright, very smooth. Masarap na manood ng mga contents dito. Gaming looks like this. Very good din. Syempre, hindi siya full screen. May mga games na parang putol, no? Pero mukha siyang putol kasi nga madaya na kasi makikita nyo yung sobra sa side. Now, walang problema to sa Mobile Legends, Call of Duty. Walang problem. Sa Genshin Impact lang, medyo bigat na kasi yun. Pero medium settings, kaya naman niya. Antutu benchmark, 713,000 points. Kung gaming hanap mo, serviceable naman siya. Very decent naman siya for games. Pero if you really want hardcore gaming, baka meron ibang phone dyan na para sa'yo. Pero kasi you're buying this for the camera, the entertainment, the flexibility it provides, especially, yung one-handed. I think in terms of usage, parang ang dami kong pwedeng gawin dito. Kasi naman lahat ng tao nag-games. Like my wife, di siya nag-games. My mom doesn't play games. Candy Crush lang. Pero mostly, camera lang sila. Watch a TikTok, Facebook, yun lang. That's actually pretty much it. Very basic lang. That's why some companies, hindi sila nagpo-focus sa processor. Mostly, camera. They must be targeting a specific audience. Ayun. Yes, actually, guys, for this one, I think tinatarget nila yung mga demographic na mahilig sa K-drama. Kasi sa K-drama, maraming ganito eh. Yung wife ko kasi nanonood na maraming mga K-drama. And nakita ko talagang puro ganito. And I think, if many viewers are watching that, inisip nila baka they also want to buy. They're exposed to something like this. Kasi Samsung medyo expensive talaga yung sa kanila. Umabot ng 90,000, 100,000, especially yung mga una nilang versions. And it looks like si Infinix lang at si Tecno right now are the only brands that are providing this level of quality, of versatility at a very affordable price. Yes, this is very affordable now for a flip or foldable device. Something that was very inaccessible for many people is now in your reach. Naipakita ko rin yung mga camera shots dito. Ito yung mga pictures na nakuha ko dito. It's actually very good, no? 50 megapixel OIS, EIS na po to. Hindi lang po 50 MP yung kanyang main camera, but also sa kanyang ultra-wide angle camera. Very nice. Now, I think the cameras on this thing is very similar sa 040 5G. Very similar silang dalawa. Siguro mas lamang lang ng konti si 040 5G in terms of the camera. Pero guys, this is no slouch. Ang ganda po ng kulay. Very professional in the thing. Hindi po overly saturated yung colors. They wanted to go for a much more pro look for this device. And you have a lot of flexibility when it comes to the camera as well. Kung gusto mo mag-selfie, no? Pwede ka mag-selfie with the selfie camera itself. Pero guys, if I were you, gamitin mo yung rear camera niya for selfie. Mas sharp, mas detailed, at may beautification pa rin siya. Also use the cover display for your makeup for checking out blemishes. May mga pimples ka ba? Or may kulangot ka ba dyan? Pwede mong check dito. Guys, madali lang i-check dito. Pero the best kasi pagka nag-makeup ka kasi nga, you can use your two hands. Ito, nakalatag lang dito. Pwede. Diba? Very useful. Also, syempre, hindi siya kompleto without AI features. It's also an AI phone. Guys, pumunta ako sa gallery, all of the videos I shot, pwede mong i-collect. Then, select this vlog option down below. At siya na po yung gagawa ng video for you using a bunch of templates, music, transition. Siya na ang bahala gumawa ng video using AI techniques. Nice. Ayun na, meron ng instant video with all of your collected videos. Also, meron siyang Folax dito, which is using Google Gemini. Let's say, for example, meron kang gustong ipa-summarize sa Wikipedia. Can you summarize this? Siyempre, sobrang haba din kasi too long, didn't read. So, pinasummarize mo na lang kay AI, Folax. Pero Google Gemini yung ginagamit niya. Na parang rebranded niya lang si Folax. Pati yung boses siguro. Folax. Hindi siya Siri. Hindi siya ChatGPT. Folax. Now, this phone is now available sa Shopee and sa TikTok Shop for $29,999. Get in now. Subscribe pala, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our great content. Sabihin sa inyo watching Unbox Diaries. Hoo-hoo. Oh, hoo-hoo.